Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, today I'm going to describe a beauty of Arabic language. The beauty is supplication, give and take while talking with each other. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of Arabs when they meet each other and they give and take du'as, supplications. So let me list it out few with the examples when and where you use these supplications. So example, if you found somebody is having anything, could be juice, could be food, could be drinking water, there is one specific dua you have to tell him, bil afia. Bil afia is nothing but bon appetit, means this food can be healthy or whatever you are having can be healthy for you. And the reply of this, you have to give him reply, Allah ya'afik. Allah ya'afik. So again, I'll repeat, bil afia, and the reply is Allah ya'afik. Okay. So example, another example, if I'm asking you, how many kids do you have? Or are you married or not? So let's say you said I'm having 2 kids. So immediately at that time, I have to say Allah yahfadhum. May Allah protect them. And this is very common in cultural Arabic language. And it's not like a person has to be some special person so that you can give him this kind of supplication, or it should not be on a special occasion that you can give him this kind of dua. Okay, so you come to know he's having kids, immediately you have to say Allah yahfadhum for the plural. If he's having one male or female boy or girl, so you can say Allah yahfadha for the female and Allah yahfadhu for the baby boy. And your reply should be wa yahfadhak, may Allah protect you too. So again, I will repeat, Allah yahfadhum for the plural, Allah yahfadha for the singular female, Allah yahfadhu for the singular male. And your reply should be wa yahfadhak, which means may Allah protect you. Okay. There is a lot of question has been asked from my students. One word which is Allah ikrimak. What does Allah ikrimak means or tikram means? Because they have heard with their colleagues at workplace, randomly while walking. So tikram or Allah ikrimak. Example, when we name something bad, when I say bad, I mean we'll take a footwear, we'll take a toilet, or we will take any name of animal. If you want to ask somebody, let me take an example here. If you ask somebody, where are the toilets? You are walking on the mall and you want to know where are the toilets is, and you are asking to an Arab person. So you have to ask him, Fain al hammamat, where are the toilets? And immediately you have to say tikram or Allah ikrimak. So what does tikram and Allah ikrimak means? May Allah give you a high level above from these things, from the bad things. So your reply should be Allah ikrimak. If you say tikram, your reply should be Allah ikrimak. If you say Allah ikrimak, your reply should be tikram. So opposite verses. Again, another example. If you are asking where are the footwear store, okay, when mahall al-ahdiya, Allah ikrimak. You have to mention this word if you are talking with any Arab, and which is very common and very normal on a daily basis if you are going through these things. It should not be on a special occasion. Okay, let me give you another dua. Example, you are working, hard working, or you said somebody, I'm working in this office. There is one supplication you can tell him, Allah yuwaffiqak, may Allah give you success. Allah yuwaffiqak, may Allah give you success. And this dua can be for the student, he's studying in the college, university, school. Can be somebody who's working hard. Can be somebody who said that I'm working such and such company. Or somebody who said I'm doing my own business. No matter what, you're giving him dua for success. So you can tell Allah yuwaffiqak, may Allah give you success, and your reply should be wa yuwaffiqak. And for more beautiful du'as and beautiful things to learn in Arabic, you can get connected to Arabic Talent on the link below.